All right, start to take the front half, all the drive shaft off the front diff and the brake assembly. She's leaking right there. It's hard to tell. And we also got a leak up here. But for the most part, this thing's in good shape. Yeah, there's little leaky hoses, but oh well. Okay, got the brake caliper off. The bolts that go with it. I guess that's a plate that's come off. This has to come off. And then get this back plate off there. And then the park brake caliper, and the rest should be good. Just installed the hoist. Took a little bit to get it up, but to get the volume on this tractor to help me. But I can start working on the seat and getting her out. Just have to get the back half of the tranny disconnected from everything, and yeah. I got the seat out, but she was pretty messy when I got her. Cab needs to be redid anyways, but yeah. The only way to get it out was just use the air pack. But bit to put a 3/8 socket on it and get it out. Every one was hard. Started lifting her out. I had to take off the dipstick so I could get it past everything here. It's laying down there, but work in progress. It's kind of sketchy with this come along, but it works for now. Got her out. Had to do a little bit more MacGyvering to get it out. But it's heavy. I think it's leaking out of here. Okay, after inspection, she's 8,500 hours roughly. She's in not bad shape, 3,500 hours. And it's a little tired here and there, but nothing crazy. I think the bearings are all fine, which is the biggest thing. Yeah. Pulled the bearing off. Still debating whether to take the whole shaft out. But I started using my die grinder to cut the bearing like an idiot. So now I gotta clean the whole transmission. The bearings look good, but maybe we'll just change the seals, I'm not sure. See how far I get. Okay, I don't know if you can hear this, the sound quality. Got my in-laws, got this diesel heater over there running, keep me nice and warm. I took the bearing off this shaft. It's hard to see, but when I was pulling out the other side, this one just slipped right off. Goes on weird one way, goes on really easy that way, but if I flip it around, goes on hard that way. So I'm wondering if, I'll get my micrometers out, but I'm wondering if the bearing, it's hard to see here. I'm wondering if the bearing was just not properly installed initially. The shaft, like, yeah, it's a little bit screwed up, but I can make that work. I think I can make it off. Like, it's not the end of the world, I don't think. But, yeah, slowly picking away at her. Got 2 more bearings, races to pull, or well, actually, sorry, 1 more bearing race to pull out. Clean her up. Got the bung out of the bottom. Slowly and surely, she's coming together. Catch you on the flip side. Well, it is March 28th. Transmission's going back together. Got the old heater going still. I think it's like -5, -6 this morning. First gear going in. Cheers to some new adventures. Took 10 hours to get the tranny clean. Wish I never diagrammed in there, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Slowly picking away at her. Everybody says, let's see if I can get some good video here. It's hard to see in here, bad lighting everywhere. Everybody says for these clips, oh man, clips down in here, that you need a special tool. I've been using a pry bar when I was in apprentice school. This is what my partner and I in school figured out, and this is what works the best actually. You put the clip, if you're looking at it from the front, about 10 o'clock, make the opening, and then you squeeze it together. It's hard to see. You squeeze it together in there, and whippity bang, whippity boo. Okay, now it's time to set up the transmission. Yeah, they give you shims like so, thickness, that are yeah, either for this cover or a cover like that. Yeah, this cover and this cover is the same kind of shim, just one's like for oil. And then you got your top cover as well. Yeah, in the back here, and then you get a gasket for your brake side. But when you're setting up your free play or end play, what you want to zero your dial indicator. It's hard to see, focus. It's hard to see, but you're gonna set your dial indicator to 0. And then you're gonna pry on the transmission one way. So that goes to -2 thou. And if I pry the other way, yeah, it doesn't move anywhere. So we need, one spec is 1 to 4. I was told to set it closer to 1. But that's the best I can get with these shims. But all I got to do now, I got it all shimmed up already. Looks pretty good. I got to hose it all up yet. Hopefully get it back in the tractor today if she don't rain. But yeah, it's a project. It's taking me a little longer than I anticipated, but oh well, that's the way it goes sometimes. Okay, she's going in today. Gotta make sure she clears everything before we use a loader tractor to bring it down off of the step there. Down, but I'm just gonna lift it up. It's so muddy, I don't want to run up the yard anymore. But yeah, she's going back in. It's a good day. It's my way of priming the transmission. Just using my Milwaukee pump out of the rear of the pail. It's actually working pretty good. Okay, just been kind of busy, so I haven't been videoing as much. I made a bracket. Well, I had the piece cut out actually in town there. They bent it all up for me, and I just welded up this bracket quick. I got everything all set up here. Sounds kind of sunny. I got everything set up here, and I'm gonna start fabbing up pump today. Well, we made it through the first 100 acres. Yeah, everything works good. Transmission's not leaking. The hydraulic system, the steering system's not leaking. The brakes work all right, I guess. Runs like a charm. Loud in the cab. Just renting this unit from the co-op. Putting hydrants down. Put some fertilizer on. Yeah. It's May 21st today. It was beautiful. It's kind of overcast now, but last night was the same thing. And a little bit of rain here and there, and it dries up in the morning. So we'll take what we can get. Tomorrow we'll start seeding. I just have another 5-10 acres left to do. That's the way she goes. I walked out of my cab, waiting for the drill to drill out the door handle. Oh, that's the way she goes. Good day. May 22nd, and all is going in the ground. May 24th, 2025. Last day seeding, hopefully. Everything goes well. Beautiful morning. Sun's getting up. Seeder worked very well yesterday. Depth, everything worked really well. Consistent, very consistent. Just firing up the tractor, letting her warm up. May 25th. We were going to finish yesterday, but we ran out of seed and fertilizer, so we had to get seed first. But she seeded every last bit of it. No issues really, except for a steady bearing in the center here. Just limped her along right in the center there, the bearing that holds the drive shaft going to the back, so everything else works really well. Now going home.